In this video, I will show you how to order from DHgate. So DHgate offers really cheap and high quality products, and if you want to order from them, first you want to go and click on the link down in the description that will take you to dhgate.com. From here, just find the product that you would like to buy. And by the way, if you do click on the link down in the description to get started, you will get this $60 coupon pack, which basically offers a bunch of coupon codes that you can use to get discounts. But for this example, I'll just go into automobile and motorcycle, and let's say that I would like to have motorcycle gloves. Then I can click on that category, and for example, if I want to buy these ones right here, then I can simply click on them. Now here again, you can see this new buyer coupon pack, so you can click claim right there. But in order to purchase this, first choose a size if it is applicable, then choose a color. Now for example, I'll take these ones. You can choose a quantity, and then once you're happy with what you have, you can just go and click on buy it now or add to cart. I'll click buy it now. And then here enter your address, so that's where the package will be delivered. Now here you can even add a remark to the seller if you want. And now you can just go and click on pay now. And again, I will need to first add my new address, but once you do this, you can then go and choose your payment method and purchase this product. So again, go and click on the link down in the description if you also want to get a discount like this. So here it's about 25%, and then just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.